Hello, it is I, Agatha, not Agatha, and I just love going outside in the morning when it's cool and cloudy. It's so pretty. I walked around, I watered some of my favorite wild plants, and I was walking back and I thought I saw something, and sure enough, I was trying to find it, zooming in with my camera. I knew it was up there, and I kept searching, and finally it showed up. There it is. See it? See it? I lost it again, but then I found it again. I will in a minute. There it is. Beautiful, massive turkey vulture. Just the most gorgeous of birds. I'm blessed to be able to see them sometimes up here. So beautiful. I lost it again. There it is. It's a dove. Bird in flight. Beautiful. And of course, I think it's flying away from me. Nature is always all around me.